Hey guys, welcome to my channel Voiceman. So today I'm going to show you that if you are facing a problem while downloading a file on a Google Chrome. So let's see, as you can see in the down where the mouse is there. So as you can see over here, it says that can't be downloaded securely. Like this can happen when Google Chrome find that the file that you want to download is not healthy. It contains viruses or malware. But let's say you are downloading from a verified source, which is verified, which and you know that that file doesn't contain anything, and then also it can giving you this kind of warning that it cannot be downloaded securely. So what you can do, you can just click on this arrow and click on keep to download the file. So if you click on the keep, it will start download the file, as you can see over here. And if you want to cancel it, just click on cancel and that will cancel that file. So that's how you can just download a file which is not uh, when the Google Chrome is not allowing to do so that. So that's how you can download a file in a Google Chrome if you are facing this kind of problem. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.